Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my last laboratory and NTEG programming and technology 2. So first, our part 1. We have ang kutong goal is to store and retrieve session data. So first is create file name session start PHP. So we created a session start PHP. My username Migs student muna siya. Username niya ang role student ana good. And also you have two values in session display store and page. So store and page so mo niyo store and page. So ani store ta Migs 1 2 3 4 5 manok password. So umano yung nag-store sa atong page. Welcome Migs to the session data bug expiration time. So muna siya itong expiration time not expiration time 1 CB na mo. And then part 2 reading destroying session. So remove session data, create a file session read. So diri aba in natong session. So first is mag-set sa tag cookies nato mo ni atong session. And then ara na natay kuan user color blue na natay session. And back ta sa tong kuan in makita nato ang ato ang color blue na cookies. So mo na siya nag-set tag color. So kung mag-destroy ta is mag-delete ra ta dra and then cookie user color has been deleted. So kana na-destroy na siya. So mo na to siya ang ato ang remove session data. So mo na siya. Part 3 working with cookies, store data cookies and retrieve them. So ato mo to kung gibuhat ganina nag-store ko niya akong gi-retrieve. Session 1 minute 1 a day. So kanina 1 minute 1 minute or 1 day. Create cookie called color user. So mo to siya color user akong gikuan ganina. Delete cookie PHP to remove cookie. So hello everyone. So mo ni siya to ang security notes. So nasa decision regression, generate ID, prevent session, fixable attacks by generating a new session ID after login, ensuring attacker cannot reuse our session. So kung magbalik tag ang sani login is mabago na po ng ato ID. So ang mga user na mo attack sa ato ang system is dili sila maka-login dayon. Kaya natay sarili natong session generate ID. So kung ipakita ganina arao para ID. And then cookie should not store password. So cookies dapat di siya nag-store password. Storing password in cookies is unsafe because cookies can intercept accessed by attackers exposing sensitive data. So gamit na gining kuan sa ni cookies XSS cross-site scripting. So occurs when malicious scripts are injected into website. XSS can steal cookies in hijack user session if cookies are accessible via JavaScript. Attack yun yung kuan. Saan ni? Cookies. HTTP online only flag when set on cookie. It prevents JavaScript from accessing the cookie, reducing the risk of thief via XSS attacks. Secure flag on cookies ensures the cookie is sent only over HTTP connections, preventing it from being transmitted in plain text over the insure network. So kaning cookies is gamit kini siya. Basta gamitan niya. Okay. Tayo na attacker Tas kung nakaani di dugay kay ma-attack imong server imong sana stang gamita sa imong system. So diri ata basic user login session. So login no form user password magkuanta process retrieves from data from post, check user password, hardcore credentials, stores user and info inside session, redirect to a protected page, dashboard PHP. So mo to siya ganina kung gibuhat natay dashboard PHP. Connected dashboard PHP connected siya sa ato ang login process. And part 6 persistent login using cookie. Update your login with checkbox name remember me. Research how present login works remember me PHP tutorial. Login process PHP. Remember me is check. Set expiration date at least 7 days. Tas yun siya no. Modify login PHP. So session best practices implementation. Apply what student reach earlier. So reach niya earlier yung mga reminder nila if na sila good na mga interest sa ilahang sa ilang dashboard. Like na sila color na makuha unsay current time karon good. And also the validate of all users input sa HTTP only for cookie. Kung na siya no. And then we combine all one module nag-create mo nang gitawag na login module. Create login PHP, login process. So mo na siya tanan and lastly we compile it together so we can handling it. Thank you. Bye-bye.